Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to insert multiple sheets in Excel using VBA. For that, let us go to Developer tab and click on Visual Basics. Now, if you do not have Developer tab present on your Excel, you can just click anywhere on this ribbon and press on Customize the ribbon. And then go check on the developer option in the customize ribbon session and let's click OK. Now you will see an tab called developer. Let's click on the developer tab and go to Visual Basic. You can also press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic editor. This is the Visual Basic for application. For the editor window, you can either write your code inside the sheet or the workbook, or you can right click on the Project Explorer area, go to Insert and click on Module. Now you can write your code inside this particular module. Let's start writing the code. So usually without code in manual way, how we would do is that we'll go here and click on the plus sign and a new sheet will be added. So today I want to do this automatically. So let's click on sheet 3 here. So the active sheet I have is sheet 3. So let's go back to the code here and now we'll start writing the VBA code. Let's start by opening a sub procedure. So sub, let's give a name or let it be insert and insert multiple sheets. Okay, insert multiple sheets. Open and close the parenthesis and click enter. Now inside this portion you can write your code. So this is a very simple code. So in order to add sheets, what you would do is that sheets dot add. This is just it. You can add sheets just by typing in sheets.add. Now let's also tell where to add the sheet. In the worksheet, if I go back to the worksheet, I want to add the sheet after the active sheet. So the active sheet is sheet 3. So when I add new sheet, it should come after this point. So let's go back to the code and tell it that after, put a colon and equal to symbol, and do not put space between the after colon and equal to. Do not put space between these characters. And now let's write active sheet and comma, and now we want the number of sheets we want, right? If I want one sheet, I don't have to specify it. If I want multiple sheets, I'll have to tell how many sheets I want. So let's tell count colon is equal to 2. So this basically means that add 2 sheets after the active sheet. Let's click on run and see what happens. So I clicked on run. Let's go back to the worksheet, and as you can see, after sheet 3, 2 sheets were added. See, 2 sheets were added after sheet 3. So let's go to this sheet and let's go back to the editor. This code is done, but not every time you might need 2 sheets. So sometimes you might need 3 sheets or 4 sheets. So let us help the user to determine how many sheets they want. For that, let us put in an input box. So it will ask the users how many sheets they want to add. So let's write here something else. Let's dim I as integer. Now I is just a keyword here, I as integer. Now let's also put I is equal to, what is I? So I will be the value that the user gives in the input box. So input I is equal to input box and then enter number of sheets to insert. And let's close the quotes and let's close the bracket. And now you can press enter, and so I is the input box answer, and here we had declared that count is equal to 2. Instead of 2, let's put I. So here sheets dot add after active sheet, and count will be whatever the user asks to put. So let's run this code here, and as you can see, while I ran the code, a window appeared here. So enter number. Okay, there is some spelling mistake in number. We can edit it later in the code. Enter number of sheets to insert. So here I'm gonna put, let's say, 5. and I'll click OK, and let's go back to our worksheet. And as you can see, it inserted around 5 sheets after the active sheet. So this is how you can insert multiple sheets in Excel using VBA, and you can let the user decide how many sheets to add.